Refrigerator organization tips for maximum freshness. Keeping your refrigerator organized is key to food safety and freshness. Set your fridge to 37 degrees Fahrenheit or 3 degrees Celsius and your freezer to 0 degrees Fahrenheit or -18 degrees Celsius to prevent bacterial growth. Use top shelves for drinks and leftovers, middle shelves for dairy, and the cold bottom shelf for raw proteins. Store produce in the crisper drawers with proper humidity settings, and keep condiments in the door, the warmest zone. Don't overcrowd shelves, use clear containers, and label leftovers to reduce waste and keep your family safe.